those details. Moving on, digital banking platform Freo has reported gross revenue of 350 crore rupees for FY 2023-24. The company has been profitable for the last 4 months, and Freo's contribution margins soared from 16% in Q4 of FY 23 to over 40% in Q4 of FY 24. Remember, Freo also recently secured an investment from SIDBI, the government bank's first such investment in fintech. To talk to us about the road ahead at Freo, joining me now is its co-founder, Anuj Kakkar. Anuj, welcome to Startup Street. You've now been profitable for the last 4 months. Gross revenues have jumped 5x, and Freo has maintained a positive contribution margin for 3 consecutive years. So first, tell us what factors have contributed to Freo achieving these feats, revenue hit of 350 crore rupees. What has led to this bullish growth?
Thank you, Shruti, for having me here. Excited to be a part of this segment. I think the growth has been on account of 3 key factors. One is product coverage. We were a mono product company, and now we have 3 key verticals of pay, save, and borrow, wherein we offer payment solutions, or we offer savings bank accounts and other products, or we have borrowing solutions. In fact, we also have insurance and investments as a cross-sell to our customers, and those will be separate verticals that we will launch in the coming few quarters. So going from one product to a multi-product strategy and putting all of that together on the Freo One app has been a complete game changer for us, and that's one of the key reasons for this growth. The second thing is our geographic coverage. We used to be in about 80 to 100 cities previously, and now we're in about 1,200 plus cities. And that has allowed us to go to a large mass per segment, which is our middle income segment. And that has been also a great growth driver for us. And third has been the entire cross-sell strategy that we have done. About 20% of our customers have more than one product from Freo, or from the Freo ecosystem, if I will. And that, without increasing costs, as you know, will increase the ARPU over a period of time. So if I put all these 3 key reasons together, which is the product coverage, the geographic coverage, and the focus on cross-sell, has allowed us to, get this bullish growth on.
All right, Anuj, picking up from what you just said, you've expanded to over 1,200 cities. You currently have 25 million users. Again, 60% of that are returning users. What has changed the game for you? How are you taking on competition?
Yeah, I think, profiling these customers digitally and profiling these customers smartly in these cities is the key here. And how do you manage fraud? Because that is something that, the minute you go expand into the masses, fraud hits. And we have also been hit by fraud in the past, and it's the cost of learning. But managing that is key. So profiling people smartly and digitally and managing fraud has been a game changer for us. Okay. Customers have come to us because they've heard of us or they like the brand name. While we were only one product earlier on, now we've given them multiple options. So what we could not give you earlier on, I can now maybe offer you 2 or 3 products. And that's been the reason why customers have returned back to us, even though we may not have offered them something maybe 3 months ago. And as far as competition is concerned, the entire FinServ market is very, very large and very deep. It's definitely not a winner-take-all market. Everybody has a place to play. For us, at least, we are focused on the middle-income customer and playing a key role in his or her financial life, offering bank accounts, credit, payment solutions, or investment solutions for that matter. Other digital banking platforms obviously have their own USPs. But we have been very focused on getting to becoming profitable at this scale. And maybe that is what differentiates us and is our USP.
Anuj, you've also diversified revenue streams. So tell us, how much is the revenue mix between fee-based income and that generated from interest-bearing products? Also, how has diversification contributed to strengthening overall profitability?
Yeah, so today about 2/3 of our revenue comes from fee-based income. So that's a straight mix, 67% roughly. And this was not the case maybe some time ago, but that is the point of diversification of revenue, that we've been able to de-risk our revenue, increased our fee-based income, and being able to offer multiple products to our customers, wherein you could make money from product 1 and then to product 2 and product 3 without increasing your CAC and without increasing your cost. The minute you start increasing your ARPU, that has contributed to this growth.
Okay, you offer credit cards with RBL Bank and Yes Bank, and you're currently testing your own UPI payment application. When will it go live? And then what are your plans on credit on UPI through your co-branded credit cards?
Yeah, so RBL Bank is one of our oldest partners. We offer co-branded credit cards with them. We've been doing it for many years, and it's on Visa and MasterCard, and RuPay cards will go live soon. We recently launched Yes Bank RuPay cards as well. That will start scaling up in this coming quarter. Credit on UPI is something that we are super bullish on.
Okay.
Honestly, thanks to NPCI, everybody has UPI now. But think about it, for a customer in a small town, he or she wants to buy something and maybe pay back at the end of the month like you would do on a credit card. But
Okay.
Credit card has not reached those customers, right? Credit card penetration is still not reached the masses. So how does that one customer experience this? And credit on UPI has the power to ensure that customers experience that credit card-like experience,
Sure.
but on a QR code. And as far as a business is concerned, $200 billion of transactions on UPI every month, thanks to UPI, thanks to NPCI. But if you take a small sliver of that and convert that into credit and an option for the customers to pay later, I think there's a big opportunity for us, and we are super excited about it.
Or very quickly, Anuj, in one line, if you can answer this, are you looking at entering into new verticals? Would you be looking to enter insurance and other wealth products?
Absolutely. It's on our cards. We will start with first distributing, and then we'll probably get into a little bit more scale on that.
All right, Anuj, we'll have to wrap up our conversation. But many thanks for joining us on Startup Street today. Wish you the very best.
Thank you so much, Shruti, for having me.